Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix printer error, that is Windows cannot connect to the printer. Operation failed with error 0x0000011b. So if you are receiving this error message, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to go ahead and uninstall the recently installed update. So most of the time after updating your Windows you receive this error message. So for this you can go to the start menu, then click on settings, go to update and security, and then click on view update history. And now right now you are receiving this error message because of this update, that is KB5005565. so it can be any update. So just go ahead and uninstall recently installed update and check. So click on uninstall update over here, and you have to go ahead and select the update over here in the list, then click on uninstall. But right now uninstalling this update KB5005565 is actually fixing the problem, so you can go ahead and uninstall this update if you see that update over here. If you don't see that, in that case you can go ahead and uninstall recently installed update, and after uninstall you can restart your computer and then check your printer. Now the next step is to make changes in the registry. Now this has also worked for many users, so it might work for you. So open registry editor. So go ahead and type in registry editor in Windows search box, and then click on registry editor, click on yes to allow, and then expand H key local machine, then expand the system, and then expand CurrentControlSet. Now expand control, expand it. Now scroll down and find printer. Now over here you can see the print over here, so select the print option. Now after you select the print option, on the right hand side make a right click, then click on new, select new, then select dword 32-bit value, and you have to go ahead and rename this as this name. This name is also provided in the video description. So copy this name and then make a right click, then click on rename. After you rename, make a double click on this entry and then select base as hexadecimal, and then set the value data as 0, and then click on OK. After this you can go ahead and close the registry editor, restart your computer, and then after the system restart try to use the printer. Now the next step is to restart Print Spooler service. For this go ahead and type in services in Windows search box, and then click on services. Now find Print Spooler service. So here you can see Print Spooler, make a right click and then click on restart, and then you can go ahead and try to check. Now you can make a double click over here, and you can go ahead and select the startup type as automatic, and then click on apply. Now if start is highlighted, click on start, then click on OK, and then try to check your printer. Now the next step is to clear and reset the print spoolers. For this you go ahead and again open services, and then first of all go ahead and stop Print Spooler service. So make a double click and then click on stop, and once you stop this service click on OK, and then you have to go to this location. So copy this location. This location is provided in the video description. Copy it, paste into the search box over here, and then open this folder. Now you have to go ahead and delete everything from here. Now in my case I already deleted it. In your case you might find some files over here. So go ahead and select everything and delete it, and after you delete, go ahead and start the Print Spooler service once again. So now you can go ahead and make a double click over here, click on start, and then click on apply, OK, and after the restart you can go ahead and try to check printer. Now the next step is to uninstall and reinstall the latest driver for your printer from the printer manufacturer website. So first of all you have to go ahead and uninstall the printer driver. For this open device manager first. So make a right click, then click on device manager, make a right click on the start menu, and then click on device manager, and then you have to go ahead and find the printer over here. Now if you don't see the print option over here, click on view and then click on show hidden devices, and under print queues if you find your printer driver over here, if you find your printer over here, make a right click, then click on uninstall device. So in my case there is no printer right now, so you will find your printer over here, make a right click, then click on uninstall, and after you uninstall make sure that you also uninstall the printer driver from apps and features. So over here you can go ahead and type in apps and feature, or you can simply open Windows 10 settings and then go to apps, and over here in apps you can go ahead and find your printer driver. So whichever printer driver you have, go ahead and uninstall it. So if you have HP printer driver, go ahead and uninstall HP, Canon, Brothers, Epson, whichever printer you have, just select your printer driver and then click on uninstall. This is just an example. So you have to click on your printer driver and then uninstall, and after you uninstall it, restart your computer, and after you restart your computer, then install printer driver from your printer manufacturer website. So if you have HP printer, go to HP website. If you have Canon, go to Canon website. If you have Brothers printer, go to Brother website. So go to your respective printer manufacturer website and then select your model number, and then from here, from the website, this is just an example, from the website you can go ahead and install your printer driver. So you can go ahead and install your printer, download it, install it, and then set up your printer once again, and that should go ahead and fix the error message. So one of the steps should definitely help you to get rid of this error. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.